In this video, I will share one huge airdrop which was basically announced by YSKF. And secondly, we are going to look around the market. What is happening in the market right now? BTC is at $41,337 and Ethereum is at $1,252. But if you remember last time when the BTC was at 20,000, the Ethereum price was about $1,500. But this time the price is not as much pumping. So we are going to discuss about BTC and Ethereum, and secondly I am going to share a huge announcement from the YSKF official. So stay tuned with us, and if you didn't subscribe our channel, kindly do subscribe us and also follow us on all the social media so you will get all the news before others. So first of all, we are going to talk about YSKF. Here you can see YSKF proudly announcing $25,000 worth Ethereum airdrop for the liquidity providers. So how you can get it? Here you can see that the first winners, the two winners will get up to $2,500 each in Ethereum. And second, 5 winners will get $1,000 and 10 winners will get $500, 25 winners will get $200 in Ethereum, and 50 winners will get $100 in Ethereum. If you remember my last video in which I basically told you about YSKF, that how YSKF will work, here you can see it by yourself, and also in that one they announced that if you are going to hold some YSKF token, and for example if you are going to buy the token from the Abbott.com, and secondly you can buy the token from the Uniswap exchange, and then you have to send the screenshot, then definitely you will be eligible to get some amount of Uni tokens. Basically they were giving $10,000 Uni token in that very giveaway. But right now, if you are going to provide the liquidity to YSKF, you will be eligible for the Ethereum giveaway, because this giveaway is entirely huge. $25,000 is not a small amount. So what you all have to do to get this airdrop? First of all, you have to come over here and you have to buy some amount of YSKF, because I always recommend one exchange, and that is Uniswap, because it's 100% decentralized exchange. So you can simply buy the token directly from the Uniswap exchange. Then after buying the token, what you have to do? You have to do a second thing. You just have to click on this link. I will share the both links in the description so you can easily click and go over there. When you are going to click on this link, here you can see the main page, and then you have to click over here, and secondly you have to enter the contract address, because it is entirely very easy for you to enter the contract address over here. And then you have to click on the add icon, and simply you have to provide some liquidity to YSKF. After providing the liquidity, the most important step which you all have to cover, simply you have to send the screenshot of holding your LP tokens to YSKF official chat. And if you did all the things, then definitely you will be eligible for the $25,000 airdrop in Ethereum. So it's your time to grab this opportunity, because definitely this airdrop will be huge. And no more step, only you have to buy the YSKF, then you have to provide some liquidity, and then send your screenshot, and on 30th of Jan 2021 you will get your airdrop of Ethereum. So it's all about YSKF and some free money. Now it's the time to talk about the market. Right now market is entirely bullish. BTC is all-time high at this time, $41,150. But why Ethereum is not as much moving? But very soon a huge news and number of volume is going to come in Ethereum. And right now the entire condition of Ethereum is not as much well, because in the last 1 minute number of people were selling this coin, and in 5 minutes people are buying it, and 15 minutes also buying, but still not a strong buy till now. So let's see what will happen to Ethereum. Do let me know in the comment section that what you think about the price prediction of Ethereum in next week. Thanks a lot.